Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's question is actually going to be about inheritance taxes and who pays inheritance taxes. But before we dive into this topic that I know you're all dying to get to, if you have any questions pertaining to estate planning or probate and you want to schedule a free So, in the state of New Jersey, we have three different classes of beneficiaries and how we're broken down. There's Class A, Class C, and Class E. Class A are your spouses, your children, and a spouse is defined also as a civil union partner. And we have same-sex marriage in the state of New Jersey, so yes, that would work as well. And it could also be your parents, and those are really like the high end of everything. So these people in Class A are not responsible to pay an inheritance tax. What these people would do when they are inheriting is they're going to go file an inheritance tax waiver form. This is going to be either under the L8 or L9. If it's just finances, you're going to file an L8. If it is just property, you're going to file an L9. We'll dive more into the weeds in a later video on those forms and those waivers. But Class A, you don't have to worry about paying your inheritance taxes. Class E is broken down into charitable organizations, educational institutions. These are basically the institutions or organizations that already have a 501c3 with the IRS, and they are deemed tax exempt to the IRS and to the state of New Jersey. So these organizations don't have to pay an inheritance tax. However, Class C, I hate to break the news to you, you got to pay some taxes. Now, you're probably going, who is in Class C, David? You've probably hit everybody around. I actually haven't. So you think about it, these are, and I'm seeing it a lot more recently, these are nieces, nephews, cousins, aunts, uncles, siblings, brothers and sisters. These are some people that don't expect to pay taxes. Who, when they've come into my office and I go, okay, great, did you file your inheritance tax? And they go, well, I don't have to. And it's, well, you're a niece, you're a nephew. I'm also getting a lot of calls from financial planners that these beneficiaries, these people have been named beneficiaries, or these are the people named in the will, and they have to pay inheritance taxes. And of course, we don't like paying taxes. So really, this is affecting a smaller section of people, but we haven't avoided it all. Because let's be real, the government still needs to make some money somewhere, and these are the people that they've deemed, since it's not a direct fall or a direct line in some instances, these people need to pay taxes. So, to wrap this up, Class A, there's three different classes. There's Class A, there's Class C, and there's Class E. Class A and E are not going to pay inheritance taxes. Class C, I'm so sorry, but you have to pay inheritance taxes. I have no control over the laws here, but I'm just bringing you the news and what to expect. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button. If you know somebody who is going through an inheritance tax issue, may have questions about inheritance tax, share this video with them. If you aren't already, go to Facebook, subscribe to Campanile Law. We're putting out content daily. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, at njestateattorney.com. Follow us, like us, share us. If you are a podcast person and you want to hear some more stuff on the podcast, please go to your podcast providers, New Jersey Estate Planning Daily. Subscribe to us. If you're on Twitter, NJ Estate ATTY, we're posting stuff there as well. If you have any questions or comments, pop them down in the sections right below. I'd love to answer your questions. I will get to all of them, even if it takes me all day and all night. I will answer every single question. If you have questions or comments or concerns about estate planning or probate and you want to schedule a free, yes, I said free, strategy session over the phone with me, contact me directly at njestateattorney.com. I would love to speak to you and answer all of your questions and concerns. As always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Have a wonderful day.